Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will look at how you can schedule a session on the Virtutor platform. Firstly, log into your Virtutor account. If you are a new user, then you should first register and sign up using mobile number and email. Now, use this search bar on the top of the page to search for skill you want to get tutored in. Here on the trainer search page, you can enter what you need help with like this. Then you can select the preferred time for your session. You can also instantly schedule a 5-minute from current time. After that, select how long you want your session to be, 30 minutes or 60 minutes. After you've added your preferences, click on Find a Trainer. The platform will look for and show you the trainers of your preferences that are available and have accepted your request for a particular skill. You can see their brief information here like this, and also click on View Profile to see detailed information. This is where the cost is mentioned, and click on Pay Now to book a session with the trainer of your choice. Click I understand only after reading all the terms and conditions and the refund policy. You have all these options to make the payment. You'll also get an email link to join the session, and the link will open in 5 minutes before the session. You can also make an expectation setting call to the trainer by clicking on Dial Trainer. Now, click on Join Session to go to the platform and give it mic and speaker access like this. As you can see here, there is a public chat option which you can use to communicate with the trainer. This shared notes option will let you write notes visible to everyone. You can also share a presentation, start a poll, or even request access to whiteboard, enable or disable your speakers, webcam, and share screen. You can also raise your hand if you have a doubt. With the trainer permission, write on the whiteboard. If you leave the meeting, I'll continue with you. But if it is enabled and you click End Meeting, it will end for everyone in the session. You can also give a review after this session is over. After which, you'll be taken to the home page. Hope you enjoy your sessions. Thank you.